Hi everybody, I'm Bill Rogers. I'm an associate family lawyer at Russell Alexander Collaborative Family Lawyers. We help with separation and divorce, and without further ado, let's get to today's topic. Unvaccinated? Then no jury duty for you. As the pandemic continues unabated, and Ontario is on the brink of rolling out vaccine passports to attest to the fully vaccinated status of the holder, a recent ruling in a criminal pre-hearing has made an important pronouncement. People who are unvaccinated are ineligible to serve on a criminal jury. That issue was the focal point in a pretrial hearing in R versus Frampton, where a judge of the Ontario Superior Court was asked to consider whether all members of the jury being empanelled for the upcoming murder trial will have to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19. And the judge said that as part of the jury selection process, the judge intended to ask each prospective candidate if they have been fully vaccinated. If the answer is no, that candidate shall be excused in accordance with Section 632C of the Criminal Code. And that section allows a judge to order any juror to be excused from jury service in the judge's discretion. The judge reasoned that Section 626 of the Criminal Code governs a person's eligibility by the Juries Act, which in turn provides in Section 4 that a person is ineligible for service if he or she is physically unable to discharge the duties of a juror and cannot be reasonably accommodated in such a way as to allow them to perform those duties. If you're enjoying this video and find it helpful, you can give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below. Against this background and in justifying the need for full vaccinations for each juror, the judge explained, "I cannot see how an unvaccinated juror could be reasonably accommodated." The court considered three ideas before coming to that conclusion. First, the testing of an unvaccinated juror could ensure that he or she does not carry the virus. Second, protection methods other than vaccination can be relied upon to ensure everyone's safety. And third, we allow unvaccinated people to mix with vaccinated people in many other contexts without difficulty, and jury service should be no different. But the court found that the cost-benefit analysis breaks the other way when it comes to COVID-19 vaccination and jury duty. Any upside in accommodating the unvaccinated juror is outweighed by the downside of exposing the remaining jurors to the risk of physical harm as we try to make this fourth wave the last one. Finally, the judge also acknowledged that privacy concerns play into this conclusion, since it would be admittedly unusual for a judge to directly ask a potential juror about particular information related to their health. However, the judge was comforted by the knowledge that some things are more private than others, and the vaccination status question would be geared towards determining whether a prospective juror was vaccinated. It would not investigate the reasons why or why not. To learn more about this case, you can read the full article linked in the description below. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let us know. You can subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get a notification every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.